Hey everybody, it's Kathy with Create with Kate 56. How is everyone doing today? I'm doing pretty well, thanks. We got like a blustery day out there. We have a high wind advisory and it's just blowing out there. No snow, just blowing. So that's good anyways. Today I'm here to show you my design team project for Studio 28E and Sherry. And this is, I'm using Sherry's latest kit, Whimsical Christmas. And let's go ahead and get started. It is 5.5 by 9 and it has a 1-inch spine, and you can see I've used one of my hanging file folders for the base. I did put a chipboard cover on it and it's covered with paper. I had this frame from Tim Holtz that I did some distress mica spray on, and then I did a layer of barn door embossing glaze and did the frame like that. This little gal sitting here with her pigtails, she is part of the kit. I've just got a wooden snowflake here with a little flat back pearl, and then down here this is part of Tim Holtz die, and I just have the word joy. So I also put a little jingle bell on the closure. Alright, so let's open it up. Inside, oops, my jingle bell's stuck. There we go. Inside I've got a pocket here, and there are 2 coloring pages in there. And all the paper in here is from the kit. So here's our first page. I made these little ornament hanger things. I just cut up pieces of the paper from the kit and then put some copper tape over it. Got stickers in here. Look at that Santa, he's so cute. Over here I've got a pocket, and inside I have a nice big tag. And then I just got to go this side first, I think. Oh well, we'll put it back later. Got a sticker up there with Holly. Page from the kit. Stickers. This is a little envelope here, and these are all from the kit. Just cut out the images on some of the pages and did those. And then in here I've got 2 tags, backed and sewn. I love that little Volkswagen with the tree on top. It's so cute. These are raised up to it. I think, yeah, I just used foam tape on that. But yeah, I really like that, how that turned out. Look at this. Cardinals. I love cardinals. Snowflake. Got a pocket here. And I just used a cutout from the kit. And then I've got some die cuts underneath there. And look at the center. Isn't that beautiful? I love this kit. It's just gorgeous. And it's got blues in it. It's just, I mean, you can just use whatever with it. This is center of signature. I used some baker's twine with some gold wraps around it. And then there's this is the elastic for the book. Got another little pocket over here, a little gnome from the kit, some die cuts, and cute little snowman tag. They're pretty birds. This is, I found on I think it was on Pinterest. You cut it out and you make a little rocking chair for Santa. I thought that was really cool, so I thought I'd add that in there. There's our little snowman again. Got a pocket over here with a large library card in there, so you can journal on both sides. I did stamp it with my date stamp, December 25th. Added a little star from the kit. And I have this envelope here. This is a die cut from Tim Holtz and some other die cuts as well. And this just closes underneath that little star. And inside I've got a really pretty journaling card. So there's that one. Got another one of the little copper ornaments that I made here. And that's the end of the first signature. The signatures I tied, like I said, with that gold string twine. And then I put little jingle balls on the ends for the signatures. Look at that. So pretty. There's another one of the ornaments. Another. This was that one tag I showed you was a smaller version of that little car. And then over here we got our shopping list. And then these words are all included in the kit as well. Excuse my dogs, I'm sure you can hear them. Put little snowflakes all throughout, those stickers. It's so cute. Another cardinal over here. These stickers are not anything to do with the kit. They're stickers I had from last year, actually. Got another pocket and a library card. And over here I got a pocket with a little gnome and some die cuts. Look at that tag. Isn't that pretty? I'm just in love with this kit. And look at this center. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. So pretty. And over here I've got another pocket. I did a rosette on there. Just put a piece of card, a die cut snowflake, and then a little red button on top. And put the word carols on the bottom. And then we got a naughty or nice list, and down at the bottom is a lump of coal. So, some more stickers. Another sticker there, typewriter sticker. Little gnome hanging up his decorations. Over here I got another envelope, and inside I have, whoops, upside down, I have this journaling card. And yes, I did glue my envelope the wrong end, so that's why I pulled it out the bottom. Well, come here. There we go. Wrong way. Pink page is really pretty. It's so soft. I guess that's a good word for it. It's a really soft kit. It's really pretty. Got a sticker down here. Look at that blue jay. I love that. Got a little envelope here. This is from the kit. This is a piece of, it's from like the 50s, and it's a leather strap that it's on a roll, and you use it to, like, tack in when you recover something, and then you tack it in. I'm thinking it was for like kitchen chairs. So there's that. And in here, got another really pretty tag. And we got a poinsettia sticker up there. Christmas tree sold here. Another one of those little ornaments. And a Santa sticker there. And then there's the back page. So pretty. And again, I put the little jingle bells on the baker's twine. Another pocket and 2 more coloring pages. So yeah, that is my Christmas journal. So I hope y'all liked it. I have all my must-do projects done, and I am crafting for myself the rest of rest of the season. So yeah, I'm working on some big collage decor pieces and some snow globes and gnome or garlands. So lots of different things. Kind of mix it up here for the end of the year. Okay, guys, thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the look at this whimsical Christmas journal that I did. I'll have a link to Sherry's Facebook page and the Etsy shop where you can pick up this kit. And as always, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. I love all your comments. I do enjoy reading them and answering them all. So, yeah, drop me a line down below if you want to know anything. And I will talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye.